Hello, this is an 8-state Turing machine with 2 tapes. Each tape has 16 cells containing binary values. The program is implemented by LEDs plugged into connectors. The machine is made using basic electronic components: logic gates, latches, shift registers, multiplexers, diodes, transistors. The program is an array of 8 lines and 4 columns. Each line corresponds to a state E of the machine. Each column corresponds to a pair A, B of binary values. The binary word located at line E and column A, B encodes the instruction that must be executed when the machine is in state E and the last values read on the 2 tapes are A and B. Each instruction consists in 5 parts: the value to write on tape 1, the value to write on tape 2, the displacement of the head 1, the displacement of the head 2, and the next state. The following program computes the Fibonacci numbers modulo 14. Let's look at the first steps of its execution.